Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. If you are looking for quick tech tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right in and install Google Chrome on Windows. Open your current browser. I'm using Edge here and head to google.com/chrome. Now click download Chrome and when prompted, hit save to download the installer. Once it's done, open the file. You will see a pop-up asking if it can make changes. Click yes. The installation is super quick. In a few seconds, Chrome will be ready to go. Chrome might ask you if it wants to be your default browser. That's up to you, and that's it. Quick and easy. If this helped, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips from Mr. TECHFOX. See you next time.